Now we will go over the components of the FRDS pilot interface in automatic mode. The power switch has 3 positions. Automatic powers on the pump, enables the auto system. Manual powers on the pump, enables the manual system. Off turns all power off to hydraulics. Pump is disabled. The arm switch is used to arm the automatic system, enabling actuation of the fire gate. This also enables the auto servo monitoring system. The armed indicator illuminates when the system is armed. If there is less than 70 gallons in the hopper, the armed indicator may not illuminate since the hopper is considered to be empty. The brightness dimmer is used to manually control the brightness of the FRDS display. The coverage level selector controls the flow rate of the retardant. The coverage numbers represent the number of gallons per 100 square feet contained in the pattern on the ground. For example, a coverage level of 2.0 results in approximately 2 gallons of retardant dispensed on a 10 by 10 area on the ground. Switching to salvo will cause the system to deliver the highest possible flow rate, thus delivering retardant as quickly as possible. The coverage level display indicates the coverage selected by the coverage level selector switch. The gallons to dump selector controls the amount of retardant delivered in U.S. gallons. Gallons released can be automatically controlled or manually controlled by the pilot. When the selector is set to pilot, the doors close when the pilot releases the fire button. The pilot manually controls the amount of liquid released in pilot mode. The gallons to dump display indicates the amount of retardant to be released in U.S. gallons per the gallons to dump selector. The ground speed selector allows the pilot to select the ground speed of the aircraft in miles per hour. The computer uses this to compensate the retardant flow rate required to maintain the desired coverage level. The ground line display indicates the approximate linear distance for the dispensed ground pattern in feet. This is calculated from the requested coverage level, the amount of retardant to be released, and the aircraft ground speed input. The hopper display indicates the amount of retardant present in the hopper in U.S. gallons. The foam display indicates gallons of foaming agent in the foam tank. This display also shows error codes. The hydraulic pressure display indicates the hydraulic pressure present in the system in PSI. 3,000 to 2,800 PSI, normal pressure, normal operation. 2,800 to 2,600 PSI, doors will open and close, gallons delivered will not be accurate. 2,600 to 2,200 PSI, doors will open but will not close, entire load will be delivered. 2,200 to 1,600 PSI. Doors may or may not open using the hydraulic system. The automatic system will attempt to operate regardless of displayed pressure. Error codes indicated by the system will not keep the system from attempting to open doors. The low pressure lamp is illuminated anytime the pressure is less than 2,600 PSI.